A very good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn a very important topic of geography, that is lifelines of national economy. We are going to complete three parts in this session, that is introduction, means of transport and roadways. Let us understand what is the meaning of transport. Transport plays an important role in the economy. Why? Because of transport, the raw materials reach to the factory and the finished products reach to the consumer. The pace of development of a country depends on the production of goods and services as well as the movement over the space. Therefore, the efficient means of transport are the prerequisites for the fast development. Now, apart from transport, the ease and mode of communication like telephone and internet makes the continuous flow of information possible. Now, let us know what are the means of transport. Today, India is well linked with the rest of the world despite of its vast size, diversity, linguistic and socio-cultural plurality. Now, railways, airways, waterways, newspaper, radio, television, cinema, internet, all these have been contributing to the socio-economic progress in many ways. The trades from local to international levels have added to the strength of its economy. It has enriched our life and added significantly to the growing services and facilities for the comforts of life. Now, what is the first means of transport? It is the roadways. India has one of the largest road networks in the world, aggregating about 2.3 million kilometers at present. How much? 2.3 million kilometers at present. In India, roadways have preceded railways. They have an edge over the railways in view of the ease with which they can be built and maintained. Now let us understand the importance of roadways versus railways. The growing importance of road transport versus rail transport is rooted in the following reasons. Now, what is the first one? The construction of roads is much lower than the railway lines. Then roads can be comparatively dissected and undulating according to the topography. Now, areas of construction, roads can negotiate higher gradients of slopes such as transverse mountains, such as Himalayas. Roads can be easily accessible. Now, about the cost of the transportation, road transport is economical in transportation of few persons, relatively smaller amount of goods and over the short distances. Roads provide door-to-door service, so the cost of loading and unloading is also low. And connecting to other areas, road transport can connect to the feeder, to other modes of transport, such as to provide the link between the railway stations, air and seaports. Now let us understand the classification of the roads. In India, the roads are classified in the following 6 classes according to their capacity. What are they? Golden quadrilateral, national highways, state highways, district roads, other roads and border roads. Now let us know one by one. The golden quadrilateral. The major objective of these superhighways is to reduce the time and distance between the mega cities of the India. And these highway projects are being implemented by NHAI. What is the meaning? National Highway Authority of India. Now let us go to the second one. National highways. National highways link the extreme parts of the country, and who maintains it? It is maintained by CPWD, that means Central Public Works Department. The third one is state highways. Roads linking the state capital with different headquarters are known as state highways, and they are constructed and maintained by PWD, that means State Public Works Department in state and union territories. The next one is district road, and district roads connect the district headquarters with other places of the district, and they are maintained by whom? They are maintained by the Zilla Parishad. Next comes the other roads. Other roads means the rural, which link with the rural areas, villages with towns are classified into this category, and they are maintained by Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana. The last one is border roads. Now, border roads organization of India, they have the undertaking constructs and maintains road bordering the areas of the country. And when was this established? It was established in the year 1960, and these roads have improved the accessibility of different terrain and helped in the economic development of this area. Now, let us understand what is the meaning of road density. Road density means what? The length of the road per square kilometer of area is known as density of the road. Distribution of the road is not uniform in the country. Density of the roads varies from 10 km to 375 km. Now it is 10 km in Jammu and Kashmir and 375 km in Kerala, and the national average will be 75 km. So road transport in India faces a lot of problems. Keeping in view the volume of traffic, passengers, the road network is inadequate. About half of the roads are unmelted and limits usage to the rainy season. So the national highways are inadequate too. Moreover, the roadways are highly congested to the cities. Most bridges and converse over the old and narrow. So this was about the road density. Now we have learned everything about roadways in this session in brief. So we'll be learning in details in the next session, and we'll be knowing about the railways, pipelines and many other modes of transport and the economy in the detailed session. Hope you have enjoyed and understood what was discussed today. Thank you and have a nice day.